This is a brand new 2013 Honda Accord. It has a 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, a sunroof, a multi-link rear suspension, hill start assist, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: the Honda Link infotainment system, a premium audio system, a low tire pressure indicator, 18-inch alloy wheels, leather seats, front multi-stage airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, a power driver's seat, and XM satellite radio which streams commercial-free music, news, sports, and more. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.